Good morning, guys. We are at Home Depot. So I went and got me some batteries, and I got another piece of board 2x4 so I could make the legs. Hold on, guys, let me turn this thing down. I got something playing in my ear. Yeah, so I got the 2x4 right here. That 2x4 we're gonna use to make the legs for the wash bowl. I'm raising the wash bowl a little bit higher. If you notice, I painted these black, so I'm gonna put this under the wash bowl to raise it up off the floor. It's sitting too low, so I'm gonna make those. See, I'm gonna paint it, make it, just use some rattle can spray. The batteries is for the hand sanitizer. We got a little machine, you put your hand under there, automatic hand sanitizer. So I'm suspecting the battery died on that, so I've got some batteries just to see if that will solve that problem. It's not working, it's not coming up, so it's either it's no good. Hold on, guys, where did I put the receipt? Hold on 1 second. Left it on the van. Yeah, so I came to Home Depot real quick just to get those two items. So I'm gonna go back and put the battery in. I'm not gonna hook up the wash bowl just yet. I'll probably do that later on tonight. I gotta go cut the legs and spray it and make it dry before I could handle it, so I'm gonna go back and get the drill, go home, paint the legs. I'll fit that up tonight. Oh, I gotta patch some holes. I gotta try and remember to do that. So there's a move out. I had a move out in one of the rooms, so there's some holes from where the TV bracket was and a shelf. So I'm gonna put the drywall compound on those holes. That way it'll be dry by tomorrow or Monday. I could sand it. It takes a full day for it to dry, like overnight, you know what I'm saying? So if I put it on today, I could sand it tomorrow or the following day, sometimes depending on how much I put on there. So I'm gonna go back, put the batteries in, patch the holes, and then I'll be good with the salon. Oh, sorry guys, you probably don't even know. Good morning. You probably don't know what I was talking about. I went to the salon this morning. I don't think I started the video. This is where the video started. My bad. So I just started recording at Home Depot, guys. So I've been to the salon before this morning early, cleaned up, went through, clean bathrooms, clean floors, clean the front area, the usual stuff. I did all that already this morning, and then I came to Home Depot. I started the video right here. I was there cleaning. I didn't feel like starting the video over there or at the house like how I used to. So I think I'm gonna try and make a intro that I put in front of the videos. That way I could just start it from anywhere, and that's the intro, the morning intro. Yeah, I'm gonna put that part in the intro, and that way I could start my videos wherever I'm at every day. So yeah, once again, thank you for the subscribers, guys. Please, like, share, subscribe, watch the videos, or just leave them playing if you're not interested in what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, it's a beautiful morning. It's a Saturday morning. I'm here at the salon. Most of the places over there are not open yet. Marlowe's, Just Brunch is open. They're a brunch spot, so they open at 8 in the morning. So they got customers over there already. Marlowe's and the other restaurants, they're not open yet. So most of our tenants are already in. We're in the beauty industry. Barbers, makeup artists, hairstylists. So they're normally here. That's their busy time on the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Fridays. Fridays, evening time or so. They'll be busy. So yeah, they're already here. The barbers are already here. Makeup artists here. hairstylist already here. So they're already working pretty much. Yeah, man. So I'm just gonna put these batteries in and then touch out that room, and then we should be good to go. I'm gonna go back and probably try and start working on that trailer, cleaning out that trailer, so I could get it sold. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna go in and get that done right now. Alright guys, so we're in the room that we had to move out. So see, we took the TV down, so I'm patching holes pretty much. I'm gonna put another coat on this. But this was the condition of the room pretty much. It's not that bad, it's just got, you know, stuff on the floor, dirty mirrors, you know. But everything else looks good in terms of, you know, cabinets we're gonna have to sanitize and clean down. See, it's got a lot of fingerprints all over. It's just messy here on the floor. You know, we're gonna go through, wash down the wash bowls, you know, clean up the cabinets, sanitize the sinks and the wash bowls. See, we had another shelving system over here, so I gotta patch these holes pretty much. So I put some in there already. I gotta put another, you know, put some more on there. So see, so I just gotta clean, you know, they left here in here, bundles are here. Well, clean all the furniture down, you know, sanitize them, clean the mirrors, you know, dust the chandelier, clean the chandeliers, you know. So I'm gonna, you know, I already started putting the first coat of the patch on there, the drywall compound. So I'm gonna put some more on it. It'll be dry by tomorrow. I could come in and sand it down, repaint the room. I won't have to paint the whole entire room. I'll just paint, you know, certain areas. See, they got, you know, prints, like scuff marks right here, you know, on the floor where the foot, you know, foot scuffed it up. You know, I'm gonna repaint the door, around the door area. But it's not much work. I could just knock this out in like 2 hours, you know, 3 hours. Clean the cupboards, you know. Cupboards ain't too bad. They're pretty clean. Normally what they do, they just store stuff in the cupboards. So the cupboards are never normally that dirty. See? It's just to clean it up and sanitize it properly. Alright guys, stay tuned. I already fixed the batteries. I put the battery in that sanitizer machine, so I already did that. I'm gonna put another coat on this and then call it a day here. Yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we back in this suite right here, the one we were working on, the move out. So we're pretty much patching the walls. So I put the drywall compound on there yesterday. It's kind of dry now. It's tough enough. It's still not dried completely. So I'm gonna show you. So I have one of these grater things that we use to, you know, take most of the chunk off. Works like this. It's like a cheese grater. So what we do is get it down. Because I put a lot on there. Oh guys, good morning. I jumped right into it. That's why I was saying I'm gonna try and do an intro video. That intro video will pretty much say all the good mornings and everything. So when I put that intro in, it automatically say good morning. Some mornings I have bad manners, guys. My day and just jump right into the video and don't say good morning to you guys. But good morning. So this is where we're at. So this right here, if you notice, a little bit flatter. It's still not dry. You know, it's not dry under there, but it was looking like this. I put a lot on it. So if you notice, I put a big chunk on it. And the reason why I put it this thick, because when it dries, it shrinks. So see this, I didn't put a lot on it yesterday, but if you notice, it has holes in there. It's because the drywall compound shrinks whenever you whenever it dries up, it shrinks and sinks into the hole. So that's why I put a lot on it, like those over there. That way when it shrinks, it's still have enough to where when you sand it, it's level. It's not in a hole. You notice even this one, see, like this one, even though I put a lot, it's got a hole right here. But with this, when I sand it, the hole is not deeper than the surface of the wall. So that's why I put a lot on it, guys. And that's why it takes so long to dry. You know, at least 2 days. You know, when you put that thick, you're gonna have to wait at least, you know, 2 days. 2 days is perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sand this one down like this. And then what I'm gonna do is just put some more on it. So this is what I use first, this, and then I gotta buy another one of this. But the sanding block, I don't remember what grit it is. I think it's like 120 or something like that. This one got like 80 on one side and 120 on the other side, something like that. But this knocks it down real fast, and then this smooths it out. Look. So that smooths it out, you know. But in this case, I'm gonna redo it because it has the holes in there, right? So we're gonna get our knife. I'm gonna clean it off with the razor, like so. And then I'm gonna use the drywall compound and put some more on it. So it is gonna, so that's why I put it on thick. That way I don't have to do it twice. Normally I'll put it real thick, but yesterday I didn't do it that thick. I just, you know, put it on there. So now I'm gonna give it a second coat. It's gonna have to dry until tomorrow because you can't sand it when it's wet. When it's wet like that, you won't be able to sand, you know. So normally I give it a day or two, and then I'll come back and sand it. So like the ones on that side, I'm not gonna sand those. I'm gonna leave those, and then tomorrow I'll sand those because I sanded these and I realized it was still wet. So I know for sure those ain't gonna be dry. It might be dry on the surface, but down in the middle of it, it's still wet. So let me put another coat on here. So we're gonna, the angles are not the best, guys. You're behind me, but let me try and, let's see. I'll put it on a little bit thick, you know. That way it won't sink into another hole, you know. So when you put it on thick like this, guys, the professionals might do it different, but I realize this is how I have to do it, you know what I'm saying? So we'll do all of them. Alright guys, so sorry for being behind me. I don't have any tripod with me today, so I just put you on the counter pretty much. So yeah, once I get this done, I'm gonna come back tomorrow and finish this up. I have the washboard to be installed as well, but I'm gonna probably do that tomorrow. I'm not gonna do it today. I'm just gonna clean the I'm just gonna clean the salon, clean the what do you call it? I'm gonna clean the hallways and the front of my bathroom. It's not really dirty in here. It's just got a lot of hair all over. The barbers, we have more barbers in here now. So because we have more barbers, there's more hair, like cut hair, as opposed to, if you look, this was a braider's room, so they have more long hair in here. Like longer strands of hair. But when you have a lot of barbers, you're gonna have a lot of small, fine cut hair. So yeah, the bathroom has a lot of hair in it. You know, normally when the barbers, when they finish cutting the guys' hair or ladies' hair, they'll they'll go in the bathroom to check their hair cut out, and then they shake everything off. The clients will, dust all the hair off in the bathroom, so you'll have a lot of hair in the bathroom. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna take care of that, and then we'll be good to go. Yeah. Let me just get this. And this is so they got this thing called spackle. So here in America, these walls, guys, they're all drywall, gypsum board. Hear that? They're not. It's like it's just a panel that they put up on studs, right? It's not solid concrete wall like in the islands. So with the gypsum board, patching, you're gonna see blemishes and all of that in this wall all the time, right? So you try to get it as smooth as possible, but it's a must. You're gonna see a lot of blemishes in here. Just like this area has another, I didn't touch that area, but it has a lot of, imperfections. So I'm just gonna go over here. When they move out, whenever tenants move out, I'll just try and fix anything extra. You know what I'm saying? That I see in the wall that was there from before. So. Yeah. So see that? Sand that tomorrow. Check to see if there's any more. Oh, and this is what we use. They normally have for smaller holes, guys, for people who live here in America and they're trying to patch these walls. You got for like screw holes and small nail holes, you'd use this thing called spackle. It's a quick patch. It's the same kind of thing. It dries real quick, comes in a smaller tube. Those are good for those small holes. The bigger holes, I'll use the drywall it says dust control joint compound. So this is what they use to put the drywall. When you put those drywall up, those sheets, they'll use that to join the seams so you don't see any seams. So this wall right here is sheets, just in case who doesn't know. A lot of people know, some people don't know. But these are actually 4 feet wide sheets they put up. So to join that seam, they'll use this and cover up that seam so you don't see it. So all the walls in here, they're 4 feet this wide, right? And then when they put them up, they seal it, the joints with these. Where the two sheets meet, that line that it creates, they use this and tape it out and then cover it up. So I find that this works better than the spackle. This is more of a tougher, material than the spackle. Spackle is just for like small holes, Yeah. But yeah, all right. So let me get to it, guys. I'm gonna move on and clean the hallways and then move to the next. All right, stay tuned, guys. Oh, I gotta go to Home Depot as well. One of the tenants in the back, their ring light, that LED ring light, it's the plug broke. So I told her I'm gonna change the plug for her. So I'm gonna go and get that plug and then replace the plug for them. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys. So we in Home Depot. We got our sanding pad. Now I'm gonna get the plug. Alright guys, so I'm not sure if the music is playing and they're gonna pick up, but this is what we need. So I got my plug and I got my pad. So let's get out of here. Guys, the music playing. The music is playing out there, so I might just speed through this part. I don't know. So let me get out of here and then I could speak about it. Alright guys, so I didn't film me changing the plug, but this is what it looks like right here. You know, the black one, this thing broke off of it. This little pin broke. So I had to, you know, you saw me buying this piece in Home Depot, and then I just cut this plug off and put this one on. So that's all I did, pretty much, just replace it. I mean, I didn't really show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. It's just 2 wires. Pull that screw right there, it opens up, and then you know, attach the wires to these 2 pins in there. It's got screws in there, but I didn't show you. It's for a ring light. Yesterday, the barber that's in here, they said it broke. So there was a pin. This pin was broken. It was sticking out right here in this plug. So she didn't want to touch it, so I pretty much took the pin that was broken out and then replaced it with this. I know I should have recorded me doing that part, but I was moving kind of fast and wanted to get it done. So now it's good. It's all plugged in right there, and then our ring light works. So that's done right there, and that's barber shop. All right, so let me get on out of here. Everything still looks good. Restroom is still clean. So let's get on out of here. Already cleaned this thing. This is our washer. Give it a clean. Alright, so I'm done with the rooms in the front. Done with this. I wasn't able to do the wash bowl because I forgot the legs that I'm building at home. So I'm gonna need some longer screws, guys. Those ain't long enough. Alright. Alright, so let's get out of here. So I'm done at the salon. I have to go by the peppers project, but I'm gonna wait a little bit till in the afternoon to go up there. I haven't been over there in a while, so I gotta go over there and just check on the space, make sure everything is good. Ain't nothing going on over there. So yeah, but it's now what, after 10, I believe. Yeah, 10:41. So it's 20 minutes, 19 minutes to 11. So yeah, I'm done with the salon. Everything is clean, everything good. We have a few tenants in there working. We got the barbers in the front, we got the makeup artist working. I heard someone else came in, I'm not sure, but about three different tenants are in there now working. So yeah, let me see. As far as the update for the peppers, the health department on Friday, I had a sat down with the inspector. She pretty much, told me everything that we needed to correct on the plan. So I did all of that. Got with the architect on Friday night. He pretty much made all the changes, send them back to me. I forward all those sheets to the printers to print it out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna head over to the printers early tomorrow morning when they open and get those print have them printed out. So those sheets, I'm gonna head to the I'm gonna head over to the health department tomorrow once I pick them up, resubmit those sheets, and then once we resubmit those sheets with the corrections, she should be able to sign off on it. Hopefully she don't see anything else that needs attention, but you know, I did everything that she wanted on the plan. So we're gonna turn those in, and then once we turn those in, we'll see if she'll sign off on it. Now, after she signs off, we're still not gonna get our permit. We still have to submit their cover sheet that they stamp, along with the ones from the county, and then we're gonna submit those to the city, which is the city of Suwanee. So once we turn it in, they're gonna do a review as well, and then give us our building permit. Once we get our building permit, then we could start building out inside. As far as the grease trap, the plumber is already working on his permit. He already submitted everything, so he's just waiting on the permit to start digging his part. So he's already working with it. He already sent me a couple of screenshots of what they were asking for. So that part of it, the plans are already approved. It's just to give him the permit to do it. So he's gonna get started. Hopefully this week he'll get back his permit to start digging. He'll be able to start digging the grease trap on the outside, but we won't be able to start digging on the inside. And the reason for that is it's because we haven't got our building permit from the city of Suwanee yet. The building permit that we're getting from the city of Suwanee, that's for construction on the inside of the building. The permit that the plumber is getting from the county, that's for the construction on the outside of the building. That's putting the grease trap in and all of that. So there's different sections, different parts to all of this. It's a lot, guys. It's a lot. But yeah, we'll do what we gotta do and get it, you know, get everything going. So stay tuned, guys. I'm on it. I'm gonna head back to the house now. I'm gonna try and do some video editing, and then see if we could, you know, get some stuff posted to the tube. I already have the video for today already. I just gotta upload it. So I'm gonna go home now and get that uploaded ASAP. So yeah, give me a few. I'll check back in once I get to the house. Put some water on the lawn, you know. Yeah, put some water on the lawn. It's kind of dry. No rain from the other day. It's getting much cooler though. Today is a cooler day than yesterday and in the week. So it's definitely fall time, you know. As I'm filming this, we're in September. So September is where it starts to get cool. It's hot. It's cool. It's hot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but it's a nice day outside. Real beautiful day. Nice day. Sun is nice and sunny. I keep forgetting to put the wood that I'm gonna use to raise the wash bowl up. Let me go put that in the truck from now. That way I don't forget it. See, this morning I forgot my drill. I forgot the this is the wood, the legs. I'm gonna use this for the legs. 2 in the front and 2 in the back. I'm gonna screw them together. So let me put these in the truck. Also I gotta check for some longer screws. I think I have some in the trailer over there. Yeah. I'm gonna put them in the truck from now. That way I don't forget them. Forget them this morning already. drill. Put those in here too. Yeah. I need to stop parking under this tree, guys. These little things, they fall out the tree. They're denting out the van, but I have no choice. As you can tell, the driveway is small, so when I put the truck on the driveway, like on here, there's no room for the rest of the cars, so I have to put it over there. The truck is huge and long. It take up like 2 car spaces. To me, it take up 3. Yeah, so I'm gonna let the sprinklers run a little bit, at least like 10 minutes. I don't run the water for long, guys. I don't have it watering like half a day like some people. 30 minutes, hour. No, I just run it for like 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes the most, and then turn it off. Water bill is, you know, if you keep doing that, it's gonna be too high. So yeah, all right, so let me get editing with some of these videos. I'm gonna upload today's video. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So let me log into my computer here and start putting out some content, guys. I'm gonna do some filming today. I came up with another concept, a little, you know, niche if you want to call it. So I'm working on filming those footages right now. I'm not gonna put them out anytime soon, maybe another 2 weeks, but I'm working on that. So these videos are gonna be showing you the behind the scenes of the making of those videos that I'm gonna start putting out, or shorts or whatever. So stay tuned, guys. You'll see a little bit of what I'm gonna be doing here. So I'm gonna be filming the behind the scenes pretty much. You'll be watching the behind the scenes of the making of those videos. So stay tuned for those. I'm working on that. I'm in production when it comes to that. We're trying to, you know, doing some testing and stuff like that. So you'll see it once I start. So stay tuned, guys. I'm probably getting something to eat too on here. Alright, stay tuned.